Hello, my name is Simon S. Matthew and I'm a 2017 graduate from Rajagiri College and I studied mechanical engineering. Currently, I'm pursuing an MSc in Oil and Gas Management at Coventry University here in the UK. Some of the key aspects that I like to highlight from Rajagiri College were the academic brilliance of professors. They could really break down complex topics into much simpler, easier to understand way, which really helped a lot of us. Also, being a mechanical engineering student, the labs that were really important to us. We did have quite a few labs like fluid mechanics, machine tools lab, which really helped us understand and apply what we learned in theory in practice. Apart from the academic sense of the thing, we did have a lot of co-curricular activities such as football tournaments, volleyball tournaments and cricket tournaments, which really helped us in a fully rounded way of learning. Apart from all of these, I strongly believe Rajagiri College and the team of professors really helped instill a lot of confidence in me and a lot of other students and help us achieve what we have achieved so far. And I'm really confident going forward that Rajagiri and the team of professors would help all the students and bring them out in a much more confident, promising and inspiring way. Thank you so much.
This is Aishwarya, an alumni of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology from Electronics and Communication Department, a very prestigious college famous for its quality of education that it provides, along with a very beautiful infrastructure. Rajagiri has one of the best faculty members who are always present to help you no matter which situation you are in. Today, I can proudly say that Rajagiri has helped me to mold into a very wonderful person that I am today. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Rohit Joseph Matthew and I was a student of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology, Kochi from 2017 to 2021, where I was associated with the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Now, talking about my experience at Rajagiri, I would probably say it was one of the best 4 years of my life. I was able to explore new opportunities, I was able to connect with a lot of people, and more importantly, I was able to rediscover a better version of myself. Now, I'm pretty sure before joining Rajagiri, you probably would have heard very dark stories I did hear before I joined. So, being a person who's part of the system for the past 4 years, I could definitely say you've come to the right place and arguably probably the best engineering college in Kerala itself. Now, my biggest advice to all the new joinees is to try out different things, try out various opportunities, because that's when you start discovering what you're good at and what you're not good at, and Rajagiri is the best place to try out different things. You have a lot of organizations, you have the IEEE, you have the IDC, the NSS. Make sure you're part of any one organization, and if you don't find an organization that suits your interest, make sure you go out and build an organization, find few people, find out a teacher who would be interested to be partnering with you, and go ahead and try it. And if you talk about sports, I was personally involved with the cricket team, and I could say we have one of the best cricket teams in Kerala itself. And not just cricket, be it football, volleyball, badminton, name the sport, we are one of the best. So my biggest advice to all of you out there is to make sure you go out there and express yourself. Make sure you are trying a lot of things. Doesn't matter if you're winning or losing, but most importantly, you're learning out of all these outcomes, and eventually that would help you grow in your professional life and in both your academics. So I was personally someone who tried a lot of these things back in college. I failed at numerous occasions. I won a few of them, but then what actually helped me is back when I joined my job into my professional life, these learnings actually helped me immensely. While there's a lot of importance given to development of skills and grabbing more opportunities, it's also very important that you make a lot of friends, you make a lot of memories, because down the lane, past your 4 years, these are the kind of memories you would thrive upon. And honestly speaking, my college life was cut short into 3.5 years, and there's no day that goes by me without imagining those fun days, the fun moments I had. So make sure you're making really good friends, you're connecting with a lot of them and making these memories. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nadine Matthew. I'm a former student of the Computer Science Department from the 2017-21 batch. I was also the CEO of the Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center of Rajagiri during the year 2020-21. Without a doubt, life in Rajagiri has molded me into the person that I'm today. Especially my experiences in RSET IEDC has helped me to polish my leadership skills and boosted my confidence, which has definitely helped me to stand out while applying for jobs abroad. I'm greatly thankful to all my teachers who have supported me academically and prepared me well for exams. In Rajagiri, you will have several opportunities to showcase your artistic, technical, as well as entrepreneurial skills. Now, it is up to you to make the most out of it. So I wish you all a great journey ahead. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed Nizwan and I graduated from Rajagiri in the year 2012 from Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Department. Currently I am employed as a senior ASIC engineer at NVIDIA Corporation in the United States. Talking about Rajagiri has shaped me in the right way, prepared me for the career, for be it the masters I did from the United States or the job that I'm currently employed in. Rajagiri has helped me to grow in every possible way, helping me to accomplish everything. On this special day, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for getting admitted to this prestigious institution. There are a lot of opportunities awaiting you. Give your 100% and all the very best.
Hi everyone, my name is S. Varun. I am a 2017-21 graduate of B.Tech in Information Technology at Rajagiri. The unique thing about being a student at Rajagiri is that you can utilize your time to focus on extracurricular and co-curricular activities because most of the academics is being handled by the teachers in the classroom itself, and most of the time you won't have to look at it again. This, coupled with the state-of-the-art amenities, the industry-leading laboratory and the plethora of opportunities that you receive at the institution, fulfills the Rajagiri promise of holistic excellence of the students. The exposure that you get from the various workshops, industrial trainings, hackathons, etc., both by participating and conducting, are the experiences that help you develop your technical, interpersonal and leadership skills. These are the skills that define you as an engineer. There is no need to specifically mention about the placement cell at Rajagiri. The placement staff work tirelessly to make sure that the students will get the best placement possible before graduating. The training that is given to us for aptitude tests and attending interviews etc. make sure that you have the best chance to impress your interviewer and bang a respectable job at a reputed company. The department staff, especially the IT department staff, personally oversee your progress and give you pointers, advice, coaching and training according to your skill set and mold you into professionals when you graduate. Our batch was unfortunately struck by the pandemic to be condemned to an online mode for a major portion of our campus life. But the student organizations and the faculty made sure that we would not lose out any opportunities because of that. And by utilizing the limited resources of the online medium and conducting training programs, events, talks and much more, they helped us make sure that our pandemic period was the most resourceful periods of our life. I feel lucky to have spent the last 4 years as a Rajagirian and being able to graduate as a far better engineer than I could have ever hoped for. And I sincerely wish that the future batches would have the same experience as we did and graduate as capable engineers of the future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Aditya and I belong to the 2017-21 batch of Electronics and Communication at Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology. So my experience at Rajagiri can be best summarized as a beautiful period of 4 years that encapsulated one of the best time of my life. So one thing that never lacked at Rajagiri was opportunities, be it the technical exposure you need, arts, sports, cultural activities and everything. So when there's a lot of engagements and activities that is going on around you, you tend to expand out of your shell. And that's what happened to me. So I realized that college was not just about lectures and labs, but it was a place where you could build on your strengths, you could identify them and work on it. Here I've also come across a lot of supportive and extremely supportive faculty that not just imparted education or knowledge, but helped me understand what I could potentially do with that knowledge that I've been introduced to. So, to all the new faces here, college is really going to be a place of fun. But take it also as a time when you will be on your own, managing your own time, taking new responsibilities, setting your priorities right, and it's also going to be a time when you'll be taking very big life-changing decisions. I know and I can assure you that you're in very safe hands, so make it worth it.
Hi, I'm Dia Bijoy and I was a student of the 2016 to 2020 batch of Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering at Rajagiri. The modern infrastructure and the industry level laboratory work that I was able to do at Rajagiri gave me a lot of practical experience and it helped me groom myself as an engineer. Also, while studying here, I was able to participate in several co-curricular and extracurricular activities. I was able to attend workshops, get industrial training, and most of these were conducted by Rajagiri itself, by our department itself. I was a member of the music club at Rajagiri and I also got the opportunity to take part in various other cultural activities during the arts fests that were held every year. I also developed my technical skills while working on projects in electronics, going for industrial visits and volunteering in technical events related to robotics and electronics during technical fests that were also held every year. And these events, they also helped me develop my interpersonal skills and I learned how to work in a team or lead a team. So I was able to explore my talents and develop myself as an individual, which would not have been possible without the immense support and motivation of all the faculty members at Rajagiri. I cherish the 4 years that I spent there. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tumisango Panangerik Mataba from the Mountain Kingdom of Lesotho in Southern Africa. I'm a 2019 batch of the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Rajagiri. And leaving college, I took a different route of life, whereby I ventured into entrepreneurship. And I'm very grateful for my experience I had in Rajagiri because it is by it that I was bold enough to take this risk of not going for employment, but rather go to business. I'm into a green energy field or sector, and I was encouraged by the exposure I had in Rajagiri through ED clubs, robotics clubs, to list just but a few, whereby we're having an opportunity to listen to successful businessmen who would give us their experience and their challenges and how they overcame them, and that gave me courage that I too can do it. And no matter how high I will climb, the success that I'll reach, I'll always be proud to be a Rajagirian because it played a big role to be in my life to be where I am today. Thank you.
The 4 years of engineering at Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology have contributed immensely to my professional and personal growth. I believe the quality of an education institute depends heavily on the quality of faculty working there, and I've been truly blessed by having a whole lot of motivated and experienced faculty who actually laid strong foundations of engineering in me. I wanted to pursue a career in academia, and I was rightly guided by my faculty towards postgraduate studies and research. I can vouch that the infrastructure and the facilities that you will experience at Rajagiri is undoubtedly one of the best in the state. Apart from academics, Rajagiri also offers you a lot of extracurricular, technical and cultural activities. During my time, I was fortunate enough to lead the technical association of our electronics and communication engineering department, and we used to organize a lot of events and we had real fun. So overall, I would say that at the end of 4 years, you'll definitely come out as an engineer with all the required skill set for a bright future. Good luck. Thank you.
I'm Anishwarya S. Nair. I completed my BTech in Mechanical Engineering in the year 2019 and currently I'm pursuing my Masters from IIT Delhi. The 4 years I spent in Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology has been very enriching. The homely feeling and the warm atmosphere I found here was quite special and encouraging for me, which enabled me to acquire a great lot of practical skills. They say it is the little things in life that lead us to achieve larger things. Rajagiri has always given me this opportunity to come out of my comfort zone, try something new, and gain confidence in my own skill. The faculty here has always been really supportive and friendly. It was because of this constant push from them that I could get through and achieve my dream profession. I could think out of the box and take up this profession, as because of them I could develop my technical skills as well as my personality. The coaching I received from here was really competitive, and it was because of whatever I learned here I could get through different challenges thrown at me by my profession. I could not personally come there and thank all of my dear faculty members for all they have done for me. But I would like to utilize this opportunity to extend my gratitude to all the members and faculty members of the Department of Mechanical Engineering as well as all the other departments, without whose constant support I would not be here today. I would like to wish you all the very best. It's a new chapter of your life and I would want you all to seize every opportunity you get here because everything is going to be worth it. Thank you and have a great day.
Hi there, I'm Time Silipinning from 2014-2018 batch in Engineering Department. Currently I'm doing my Masters in Construction Project Management in Northumbria University in England. I have chosen a multidisciplinary field in the job sector. It's quite interesting to know how the multidisciplinary side as well work. In this next 4 years, it's all going to be interesting for you as well in Rajagiri. It's all how you choose your life to be. Get to know each and every person, like in each and every department, how the things and all getting working around. When you have a knowledge of how the other things in other disciplines, like in the computer science or in the IT field, or in the construction side, being in the mechanical side, as I would say from my side of view. So getting to know how things all work, getting all along together. It's a lot interesting, and just after 4 years you have a great opportunity as things are all getting changed as well in each and every field. So have a wonderful 4 years which having even other than the academic part, which I would say it's all different from what I had from last even just 3 years that I have passed from the Rajagiri, but it's all a lot different that I had think when I talk to my faculties back there, they all said it's a lot different had occurred as well. But the other things, if I say other than the academics or the extracurricular activities, even what we also had an opportunity to go for sports car design competition as well. But we still had some other issues which we didn't get along. But even our juniors had a great opportunity, which I say. I used to talk with them, even my juniors who had gone, they say they had gone for 2 times, they had a wonderful time at that time. So it's all how you choose your path in these 4 years. It's all going to be good, and I wish best of luck for each and every one. That's it. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Pooja Vinod and I'm a BTech Honours in Computer Science and Engineering graduate of the RSET class of 2020. I'm also the university level first rank holder in Computer Science and Engineering of the KTU 2016-2020 batch, and I'm currently working as an Azure Cloud and AI consultant at Microsoft. Throughout the 4 years of my college life, it was my aspiration to excel equally at both academics as well as co-curriculars. And I must say that Rajagiri has provided an excellent platform for me to achieve the same. be it the numerous and diverse technical and non-technical opportunities and events conducted at college, the excellent facilities and infrastructure, the constant encouragement, support and appreciation I have received from the college authorities through both academic and non-academic scholarships, awards and recognition, Rajagiri has not only been a place of learning for me, but an institution that has completely supported and motivated me to achieve my full potential and have a well-rounded college experience. I would also like to place on record my sincere appreciation and special thanks to the amazing teachers at RSET, whose dedication and support have been critical to my success at every step of my college journey. I take this opportunity to thank RSET for always nurturing my ambitions, providing the avenues to pursue my multiple interests, and for always inspiring me to reach for the stars. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Navin John and I was the student of 2014-18 batch of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Rajagiri. The 4 years that I've spent at this institution have helped not only in gaining technical knowledge but also various extracurricular activities which have helped me become a completely different person ready to face the world. I was also lucky enough to land a job at Amazon with the help and support of our dedicated placement cell team. Professors at Rajagiri are really invested in our education and you feel supported every step of the way. The training and guidance have helped me face the various challenges of corporate world very well. Rajagiri, also being a host to various international conferences, have helped not only in gaining and deepening our knowledge in state-of-the-art technologies, but also have inspired us to dream internationally. I am absolutely sure that anyone who joins Rajagiri will not just be a professional engineer, but also be a better individual when they leave the gates for good. Thank you.